Have you ever thought about your most cherished possessions at home, those unique items that hold significant value or sentimental meaning? Maybe a piece of family jewelry, an antique collection, or some special artwork. It is natural to assume your homeowner's insurance protects these treasures, but there is an important detail many people overlook. Specific item limits, also known as special limits of liability or sublimits, are maximum payout amounts that your homeowner's insurance policy will provide for certain categories of personal property. This means that even if you have a total of $100,000 in personal property coverage, your policy might only pay $1,500 for jewelry if it is stolen, regardless of the jewelry's actual value. The reason for these specific limits boils down to risk management for insurance companies. Certain items, like jewelry, furs, cash, valuable papers, firearms, and collectibles, are considered higher risk due to their portability, high value, and susceptibility to theft or loss. By placing sublimits on these categories, insurers can control their financial exposure and prevent general policy premiums from becoming prohibitively expensive for everyone. It helps to fairly distribute the cost of coverage, ensuring policyholders with standard possessions are not subsidizing those with exceptionally valuable, high-risk items. So, what can you do to ensure your valuable items are properly protected? First, carefully review the personal property section of your homeowner's insurance policy. Look for terms like special limits of liability or sublimits to understand what these caps are for different item categories. Second, create a detailed home inventory of all your personal belongings, especially those with significant value. For items like fine jewelry, artwork, or high-value collectibles, obtain professional appraisals and keep receipts. These documents are crucial for proving value if you ever need to file a claim. If you discover that your valuable items exceed these specific limits, you can often purchase additional protection through a scheduled personal property endorsement, sometimes called a personal articles floater. This is like adding a mini insurance policy specifically for those high-value items. It typically provides broader coverage than your standard policy, often covering perils like accidental loss or mysterious disappearance, which might not be included in your base coverage. Plus, items scheduled in this way often do not have a deductible. Understanding specific item limits on your policy is a vital step in truly protecting your financial well-being and your cherished possessions. By reviewing your policy, creating a thorough inventory, and scheduling high-value items, you can gain peace of mind knowing that your most treasured belongings are covered adequately. Being proactive about these details ensures that your insurance coverage truly aligns with the value of your home's contents.